Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna to show you how to create adult website on Blogger in free. You already know that Blogger is free and you don't have to purchase any type of domain and hosting. Blogger is free. And in next video I will show you how to submit adult Blogger website on all search engines and how to get lots of traffic on my adult website. So let's start the video. Before begin, I request to you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new videos notification. In first, I'm gonna to show you my adult Blogger website. After watching my Blogger website, you will believe me. You can see here, it's my adult Blogger website. And here you can see my posts views. Here you can see I get good views on my posts. And now I'll show you my adult Blogger stats. Here you can see in 7 days I've got 1.93k views. And my lots of traffic comes from United Arab. You can see here. Okay, so now let's see how to make an adult Blogger website in free. Okay, so search here Blogger and click on the first link. And click on create your blog. You can also make adult Blogger website on your mobile. And now click here. Click on next. And here type your website title. I'm gonna to type most girls. Okay, then click on next. And here type unique and best URL. I'm gonna to type most. I have to hide this link because YouTube don't allow any type of adult links and adult photo and videos. So I have to hide this adult link. Okay. Now click on next. And type here author name or your name because it's gonna to be show on display. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now click on finish. Here we go, my adult Blogger website is created. And now click on new post. And in first you have to post any type of videos first. Okay, so I'm gonna to post one video. And I have to type here some description. Click enter. And now insert video from here, upload from computer. Click here, choose a video to upload. You can upload any type of adult videos. Okay. And make sure your video should be good. If your video will be good, then everyone spends a lot of their time on this website. So you have to upload a best video on your website. Friends, in next video I will show you how to monetize your adult blogger website and how to earn lots of money. And if you want to know about my adult blogger website, then just read below comments. And now create here labels. Desi HD video, comma, HD video, comma. You can type here any adult type of words, and here also you can type here any type of adult article and adult word. I didn't type here any type of adult words because YouTube don't allow to show any type of adult video, any type of adult photos and adult link. That's why I didn't type here adult words. Okay. And now publish this video. Okay, click on publish. Confirm. Here you can see my post is published. And now go to setting. Here is my website title and you have to type here description. Click on description and type here your website description. Type here best website description. Friends, I'm just typing here good words. Okay, you can type here any type of adult words. And now click on save. And here is most important thing. I have to turn on this adult content because my website is in adult. Okay, so I will turn on. And now I have to create favicon. Here you can see this icon. It's called favicon. Okay, so let's see how can we create favicon. Click on favicon. Minimize this one. And now open your Photoshop. And now click on file and click on new. And its width will be 112 and height will be 112. Okay, and type here. Now click on OK. I'm just making simple icon for teach you. Okay, so I will only type here D. Change this size 9 and change the color red one and type here D. You can make best icon for your adult blogger website. Ctrl T, increase this size. click on OK. Click on save. OK. And now choose your file from here. And click on save. And then got it. And now change this one. It means maximum post will be show on your main page, but it will be better to show only one posts. So change this one, click here, and it will be one post will be shown on main page. Okay, and change this one, who can comment. Click here everyone, then click on save. And here we go. This is most important thing. Because of these meta tags, your adult blogger website will be run on Google and other search engines. So you have to type here best adult meta tag. Okay. So click here turn on and click here search description and type here best meta tags, because it will gonna to rank your adult blogger website on all search engines. So type here best meta tags. Okay, and now click on save. So now setting is completed. Okay, now let's preview your adult blogger website. Click here and click here I understand and I wish to continue, and click on more. So I think it's looking good. Okay, from here you can comment. And now I have to make best profile here. Okay, so click on visit profile and now click on edit profile, and here you can see if you don't want to share your profile, then uncheck this one. Okay, and this one is also not need. And from here you have to upload a picture for your profile. Okay, click on choose profile So I am gonna to select this one. And select your gender, male or female, and country, India. And now click on Save Profile. You can also type here your introduction, but I don't want to give my introduction, okay? So I will not type here my introduction. And cut this one because it's not need. Friends, my adult blogger website is ranked on Google. If you want to know about my adult blogger website, then just read below comments. And in next video I will show you about layout, themes, and how to monetize this blogger website and how to get lots of views on my adult blogger website. Okay, so that's all for today. I wish you like this video and subscribe our channel. If you have any type of question, then comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.